All right. Can you talk in Urdu for 10 minutes? No. What's the point? Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Friday London Open session. A little bit late than London Open, but at least we are here. Looks like there's nothing happening at this point. Very soon we will do a full analysis on gold. We will break down everything and then we will continue with our live stream here today. Save this. Okay, let's see here. Just done with namaz, joined you. Welcome. So, okay, let's remove this piece of hardware. And let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is retracing, but I want to take a look at gold here first because gold is something I love to trade. Lately, I've been looking at NAS 100 as well. You know, NASDAQ. I've been looking at NASDAQ and I've seen some pretty good volume come in with NASDAQ. But let's do this here first. Let's bring out the pop-out chat. Okay, let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 4-hour time frame on gold, we are currently starting to push down. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can see right here on the 1-hour time frame, there is a sort of a support being formed. And also, there was also a support over here. If you zoom in, now that you can look at it in more detail, you can see right here, there was a support formed and this candle broke and closed below the support, right? Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, now we have some more information. And this is very important, right? Because look, now what we see is that on the 30-minute, there was a support. And looks like pre-London, we rejected this area. Look at this, right? Look at this candle over here. This candle rejected this area, closed above support. So what will happen if we break and close below this support? What's going to happen if we break and close below 2710? If we break and close below 2710, there's a very high probability we can continue pushing down in the 70 to 71 pip range. This was a trade I took yesterday, and man, it helped really well. Look at that right here. This buy over here on gold. Amazing. Anyway, yeah, that's correct. Junior, that is correct. It will drop it like it's hot. If we do break and close below 2710, it will drop like it's hot. Let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. A sneak peek at 15-minute time frame. What we can see is that there's a lot of resistance. There's a lot of rejection right over here on the 15-minute time frame. Let's switch back to the 30-minute. It's tough. I mean, I would want to stay away from anything between 2710. What the fuck is 2710 and 2713? I would want to stay away from 2710 and 2713. This is a trade I do not want to trade in. So this will be a no trade zone for me. This is a no trade zone. It's very important for you to understand how to distinguish between a trade zone and a no trade zone. So this is something I don't want to look at all. Nothing. Looking at the 15-minute time frame now, we have some more information. And some things we can tell from the 15-minute time frame is that you see this candle. Okay, so let me do this here for you guys, right? So now, up until over here, let's remove these eyes. Up until here, there was no resistance formed. If you look at the next candle, boom, we create support. We look at the next candle created resistance. And we look at the next candle. See this? Now for the next candle to continue to push up, it had to break above this high. Did we break above this high? Absolutely not. Now, for the next 15-minute candle to move down, the next candle had to close below this area for price to push down. Did it close below this area? Absolutely not. So now what's happening? Now, price has started to consolidate, right? A consolidation is measured by the amount of candles printing side by side, right? So now you have candles printing side by side. So now you want either a candle to break and close above 2713 or break and close below 2710, 2711 because we're consolidating. Let's take a look at the next candle. Next candle, no break and close. Impulse entries will not work when price is consolidating, but no break and close. Let's take a look at the next one. No break and close. We broke above, but we didn't close above. We look at the next candle, nothing. We look at the next candle. Look, this candle broke and closed below this support. Awesome. Now, for the candle to move down, we have to break and close. Well, break below this area, 2709. Oh, wow, look at that. We did actually go down. But anyway, on the 30-minute, we're still consolidating now. See, so this is the zone we have now. We still closed above this area. So, I mean, it's just tough at this point. So, since pre-lend, so what was the time right over here? 9:45, 9:49, 10, 11, 12. So from after Asian Open, we've just been consolidating, right? If you look on the 30-minute, we have just been consolidating. We've been consolidating for about, like almost 3 hours at this point now. Almost 3 hours. So I think it's going to be important to wait to see if a candle can break and close above 2713 and then continue to push up. That's something I would really want you guys to pay attention to. Wait for it to break and close. Yeah, I will do a breakdown later, Fazan. Could you explain the trade you had yesterday? I will do a breakdown later. You say that Fibs works, but you never use it. I never use it. I say Fibs work so that I don't piss off people who use Fibs. That's why I say it works. To be honest, every technical analysis works. The problem is that not a lot of people trade based on the same technical analysis for a long time to kind of like have this probability made in their mind that, okay, it does work. The trade yesterday was news trade because you entered right at news drop. Yes, just took a buy. Do you trade liquidity? Yes, I do trade liquidity. Trade liquidity? No, I don't trade liquidity. There's no such thing as trading liquidity. How can you trade liquidity? You can't. If anyone using Dominion Fund account, please give honest feedback. You don't have to use Dominion Funding account to have a feedback. You can use Dominion Markets account. You can use Dominion Markets, deposit $50, use Dominion Markets, and the trading conditions that you're going to get on Dominion Markets are the same trading conditions you will get on Dominion Funding. The same trading conditions you will get on Dominion Funding. Yeah, there was no stop loss. Price went in profits. I put my stops at break even, and then it just continued to move. If candle closes, not enough range, once it closes above 2712, okay. So once it closes above 2712, let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Once it closes above 2712, okay, let's say right over here, you have a wick, 13 pips. It may reject after that. And then, yeah, it's not enough. Not enough. So I would now go to say that, okay, probably above over here. That was a good catch. 2716. That's a very, very, very good catch right there. So if we do break above this area, 2716, 2713, 14, now we have a clean range for price to move up. We have almost like a 54, 55 pip range for price to move up. That was a test. I was waiting to see how many people will say, oh man, there's no range. Very good. If candle close, is it if buy bullish more than 30 pips, or should we want to retracement? If candle closes above 2713, is it valid to buy? No. Lots of rejections, lots of problems. Also, it's a Friday, like a lot of people lose, a lot of traders lose their gains on Fridays. So maybe make a rule not to trade Fridays. Mr. Banks, been watching you since you went by Wix Not Live. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Went from losing money 24/7 to 2% away from passing a funded challenge. Jeremy Perez, that's absolutely amazing. Beautiful. I wish you all the success that's coming.
Good morning, Raja. I really don't know how you're doing calisthenics so early. Maybe you didn't drink a lot last night, but thank you for coming to the boat. I'm glad you were able to make it, and it was a really good night. So just wanted to thank you for coming along.
All Mara. Someone messaged me saying, "Will you be at the expo today?" And I responded, "There's no expo today." There's no expo today. It was like someone saying, "I'm going to go to Mars to meet Elon Musk," but he's not there. Attempted this trade on live with Kasibhai, okay. Managed risk well, closed everything as the candle broke the high. Oh, beautiful. That's very, very nice. Very nice. Well done. Very, very well done. Very, very well done. But there's nothing happening at this point. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh, pound yen is maybe bringing on something. So let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame on pound yen. 1 hour time frame is, wow, it's just consolidating over here. Looks like we have a resistance formed on the 1 hour. Let's make this a little bit precise. Yeah, right over here. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is still in this area. At the same time, I guess we are creating a support on the 30-minute. I think also we've done on pound yen is that we have broken below the support, made a low, now probably coming up to create some sort of a resistance for price to push down. Looking at the 15-minute, now we can adjust these zones. Okay, yeah, that's it. I mean, if price will continue to push down, we need to create some resistance for it to go boom, boom. Boom, boom means down, down. How to pass PropFirm account? Please give a roadmap. Just 1 or 2 trades a day. There's no such thing as give a roadmap to pass a prop account. You just need to be profitable on your personal account. You need to withdraw profits from your personal account and then buy a PropFirm challenge, because now then you'll be able to prove to yourself that you are profitable, you are disciplined, you are consistent, you're able to make money, and you're able to withdraw money and use that money for something. So if you buy a prop account from the money you made on your private account, you will be much more profitable on your prop account, but if you just go to a prop account because you want to just trade bigger amount, then it's not going to work. Joined just so what I missed till now was busy in work. Oh, Ronit, welcome. Everything changed for me back in 2021 when Raja said, if you want to change your trading results, stick to 1 or 2 trades a day. Changed everything for me, man. You know what? That should be a tattoo on someone's forehead. And he should go to a Forex convention with that tattoo. And then people should say, hey, man, why'd you get that tattoo? And he'll say, man, look, 1 or 2 trades a day. 1 or 2 trades a day. Look at that. 1 or 2 trades a day. Look at my Rolex. Look at my whatever. Look at my car. Look at my, muscles or cash, whatever. And they'll say, how'd you get that? You're like, right here. Look at that. 1 or 2 trades a day. That's how I got that. So it's very important. 1 or 2 trades a day. I met a guy at the expo day before yesterday. I met a guy at the expo, and I think it's in one of my videos as well that I posted on Instagram. That guy said that I want to know how do you do it? How do you manage family, business, trading at the same time? How do you make money trading? And I'm like, well, why? What's your problem? He's like, my problem is I keep losing. I'm like, okay, how many trades do you normally take? He's like, 6 to 8 trades I take. I'm like, that's the problem. Because we all know how to do technical analysis. We all know how to, read candles. We all know how to draw support resistances. We all know how to do all of that. The only thing we don't do is emotional money management, which means the only thing we don't do is we keep on over trading, we keep on over risking, and that's the only problem. And I tell guys, if you just tweak a few things, man, things are going to be way better. Just a few things. 1 or 2 trades a day. 1 or 2% per trade. That's it. That's all what you have to do. What would be the best type of account to be scalping? ECN account. ECN account is the best. Yeah, man. Like, I mean, I remember when I used to overtrade. When I used to do like, 10 trades a day, 12 trades a day, by the end of the session, my mind would be so overloaded with emotions and anxiety, and I would just be tired. I'd just be super tired. I wouldn't spend time with family. I wouldn't go to the gym. It was just like my mind would be so tired and exhausted because, like, like when you have $4,000 in your trading account and you're in a drawdown for about $1,500 that same day, and you're still trading, you're still doing analysis, and you're on your 6th or 7th hour looking at the chart, man, you get exhausted. I've been through that. But now I don't get exhausted. Now I take 1 trade a day, 2 trades a day, and that's it. That's all what I do. Like if you look at January, I'll show you my January right over here. Look at this. Look at this. So January I started trading on the 9th, 10th, till the 10th. Till the 10th, I was till the 15th, I was in a drawdown. I was in a drawdown. This trade yesterday got me out of drawdown, but I was in a drawdown till this time over here. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum, Raja. I've been trading for 2.5 years, and now I'm a little progress with your strategy, but I feel like my speed is a bit slow. What should I do to increase my speed? Nothing. Stay consistent. It's like when you have a young child. When you and your neighbor have a young child, and both children are 1 year old. One child starts speaking, the other child is not speaking. So are you going to compare the child that doesn't speak to the child who's speaking? Are you going to compare him? Normally we do comparisons. Oh, why is my child not speaking and your child speaking? But we have to understand everyone has their own time and place. Maybe the child who's not speaking now, 2 years down the road, he's going to start speaking. Everyone has their own speed. Everyone has their own pace. So some people, they get profitable in the first 2-3 months. Some get profitable in 2-3 years. Some don't get profitable at all, and some get profitable after a year. So it just takes time. 9 trades, 10 trades. Who the fuck has time to go over those main trades? What is this? What is this? Oh, this video.
Okay. All right.
This was a good video.
Let's have a real conversation. Let's put this up.
What happened was
it's going to be our office here today for this heart-to-heart that I want to have with you guys.
We couldn't find a studio, so we just parked in a random parking spot, and I just started talking.
About 5. So the first thing that we're going to say, the second day, the third day, then the fourth day, euro, yen.
And 10, this was 50. All done in one take. It was all done in one take. We went there, we got there, we stayed there for like 20 minutes, and then did the recording, and that's it, finished. And then we went home. Any crypto you think good for investment this year? Only yes. The crypto that I think is going to be good for investment is this one right over here. And I'm going to be putting some money in it as well. I don't care what people think or what you guys think, but I'm going to be putting some money in this crypto. Let me do this over here. Let me show you this right over here. Are you guys ready? My neighbor asked me about this as well. And I told my neighbor the same thing. I told my neighbor the same thing. Look at this. This one right here. Ripple. $3.20. Ripple. I believe Ripple will be something that, wow, look at this, man. Look at this, 1 month, 6 months, look at this. From 55 cents. From 50 cents, it's at $3. It's at $3. You guys know who this guy is? Ripple CEO. You guys know Brad? Look at this thing over here. Brad Garlinghouse, however the fuck you pronounce the last name. Brad Garlinghouse met with Trump. Now, what do you think is going to happen? The guy met with Trump. What do you think is going to happen? I'll tell you what's going to happen. Brad Garlinghouse is now sitting with Trump. And Brad Garlinghouse says, Mr. Trump, Ripple should take over the SWIFT. It's quick, fast. We have a stable coin as well. We just won the case with SEC. Win or lose, I don't care. But they're on top of SEC. So, Mr. Trump, Ripple has the opportunity to go to $20. And Trump says, well, what's Ripple sitting at now? And the guy says, well, Ripple is sitting at $3. And Trump looks at his advisors, and Trump looks around, and Trump says, well, man, goddamn, sitting at $3. This guy's saying $20. Even if it goes to $10, I am tripling my money. Tripling my money. When is it going to go to $10? I don't know when it's going to go to $10. But based on this, what I'm seeing over here, and based on my buddy who is balls deep in crypto, I'm a believer now. So I'm going to be buying some Ripples here before it's too late. But hey, listen, if Ripple goes to whatever, if it goes in a loss, so be it. It goes in a loss. But this is a powerful picture right here. Great dinner last night with Donald Trump and I don't know who this guy is, Alderati. He's somebody. Chief legal officer of Ripple. How wild can this get? How wild can it get? This is crazy. We finally have the Hinman docs, internal SEC emails, and draft of her infamous 2018 speech. While they remain the conversation for now, at the SEC's insistence, I can say that it was well worth the fight to get them. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm going to be buying Ripple. Yeah. Can I trade Ripple and just hold it? But this is going to be very, very interesting. Do you know indicator for limiting the number of excessive positions with excessive risk? Yeah, that indicator is called the brain. You just take 1 or 2 trades and then that's it. Use your brain not to take any more trades. I don't get why you used to hate BTC so much and now you praise XRP. Mr. Alex, you are lucky you have access to me and the things I say. You are so lucky you have access. If I had access to you and the things you say, there's probably a lot of things you said. Anyway, whatever. Ripple I like now, so I'll put money in Ripple. I don't get, okay, how to calculate a lot size for GJ, okay? Can you explain the strategy in 1 to 2 minutes recap, please? No, my strategy is explained on my YouTube channel. You can go through my YouTube channel. Show your P&L right now. There you go. $518,000. That's my P&L. Can we trade SAP on a funded account? Yes. What do you suggest about 10K master account? How much we make profit for first payout? You have to go read the rules. If you hold Ripple and C-Trade, you'll pay a lot in swaps. Yes, that's true. That's true. And I think that's going to be across all exchanges. Raja, my wife complains I can only give her 6 pips. Pravda T, you don't have a wife. If you had your wife, you wouldn't be disrespecting her like this in public. I love your trading though, but XRP is not the way to go right now. Actually, I will go with XRP because you are not a financial advisor and neither am I a financial advisor. So I'm just going to go with XRP. If it goes to $1, that's fine. You know, but if it goes to $10, that's even better. Will Dominion Funding have MT5? No. C Trader, can you please suggest a crypto wallet for Ripple? Binance? There is slippage in execution Dominion Funding. It's like 2 iconic support, but no, there's no slippage. If there was slippage, we would have a lot of complaints. Can you explain the strategy you wanted to? Okay, where's your $1 million account? This is it right over here. I love your strategy and work. Thank you. How much you risk per trade? 1 to 2%. So yeah. Zaman Ripple wallet. Okay, there we go. All right, what's happening over here? Nothing is happening over here. We're not creating a resistance. Nothing. Since watching you from 2022, followed you after getting a reel in my feed, and the and the ended having you as my mentor. Wow, Junaid Ahmed, welcome. That is crazy. That is crazy. Since 2022, one reel, and now you are here. Welcome. Which broker are you using? Dominion Markets. We are using Dominion Markets. We have onboarded so many ways to pay on Dominion Markets. If you're from Pakistan, you can deposit via local bank. If you are from India, you can deposit via UPI. If you're from Africa, we have payments for you. You can deposit via Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, credit card, crypto. Wow. Can't buy Dominion funding. Also have to use UAE card for MFU. Please add Zimbabwe on the list. Man, the thing is, Zimbabwe payment methods are very difficult to get because the jurisdictions there are not easy to assist. That's the whole problem. If you withdraw money from trading from your own broker, does it mean your company loses or just don't pay yourself? Are you stupid? No. If I withdraw money from my account, it comes from liquidity. Your Instagram is not showing on Instagram. Here we go again. Am I taken down again? Let's see. No, it's good. It's working. I see myself over here. I think you need to search my name, Raja Banks. Or maybe I blocked you. Who knows? Who knows? It is there. What is the spread on funded account BTC USD? $20. Can I use Dominion funding in Canada? Sure. Yes, you can. Can you help me with $20? Why? What will $20 do to you? When to take sells more confidently? Well, just wait. Just wait. Just wait over here. Maybe right over here. Look at that. When we get a candle to break and close below 27.10, I think there's a very good profitability for price to continue to push down. Where is your Jummah prayer today, bro? Forex trader, you can mind your own business. But I thought you mentioned DM is a C-book, hence the 50% of your trade as well is from... No, you... Let's just stop asking questions you don't know much about. Let's just stop asking questions you don't know much about. How's it with all in India? Is it P2P? Yeah, and UPI. Pakistan #1 forex trader, Raja Zoor. Oh, nice. Nice. Raja, will CoffeeZilla make a video about Dawnwu? No, because CoffeeZilla is not going to make any money from Dawnwu. So that's why he's not going to make a video on it. I'm a new trader and starting following you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at this. There was a way to bring... okay. This is how you bring these spreads right up. Now I understand. Interesting. Yeah, look at that. Open new chart, place new order, 1.3 pip spread. AUD DKK? What the hell is AUD DKK? We don't want AUD DKK. We don't want AUD DKK. Yeah, just waiting. I'm from Ethiopia. Can you help me with $50? No. What happened with Dawn? Nothing. What are your thoughts on Wakar Zakar? Great guy. People didn't even able to search someone saw you recently. C Trader Mac right hand symbol has a Windows version. Really? Does it, mate? Let's check right over here. Let's check right over here. All right. C Trader, right? Let's see here. So what we want is we want to open up the app store. Where's App Store? Oh, there it is, App Store. And we want to search on the App Store. We want to search Dominion Markets. Ah, there we go. Dominion Markets is here. Dominion Markets C Trader on the App Store. Let's see. So let me show you. Look at, we're looking for new liquidity providers. App Store, Dominion Markets. There we go. Dominion Markets C Trader on App Store. Beautiful. See that? It's on the App Store. All right. So now we have to open this. And oh, nice. Oh, very nice. Looks like they updated their stuff. Very nice. Beautiful. This is sick. Nice. They have done some updates. It's beautiful. I like it. I like it. So yeah, still waiting over here now. I hate gold, but I love XAU USD. Beautiful. You are the reason that I searched reason why sell or took a buy. All right, pound yen is pushing us like 28 pip range. Let's see what we got below. Let's see what we have below 189.370. Looking to the left hand side on 30-minute time frame. We have. Oh, look, we have some problems over here to the left hand side. Probably to this area, 188, 960, 188, you know, this area here, we have some problems. But if we do break and close below 188, 940, I think there's a very big possibility we can continue to push down. So you have to be very, very well prepared when price comes to your area. I think that's important. I do believe that's important. But yeah, gold is just consolidating at this point. Maybe we're going to have some volume coming in with London session, but we'll see. How's the leaderboard going? Yes. So the leaderboard is going great. We have a leaderboard challenge that's happening now. Let's go to dominionmarkets.com. So leaderboard challenge is happening now. It's going to run for, what's this? Trading on a go, App Store. Let's see here, incentives. And this is where we have our leaderboard challenge. Leaderboard challenge 2025 went up to $20,000. You know, so if you come over here, you'll be able to see the updates. Who's on the top, who's on second, who's on third. Dominion Markets is on third over here. So from Qatar, there's someone 182%. From France, someone is up 100% from France on the leaderboard. You know, so this will run for about 2 months. The first prize is going to be a $20,000 account, $10,000 and a $5,000 account. So second prize is rewarding your hard work. A master trading, copy trading windows will attract more followers, showcase your skills. So, you know, it's going to run from 15 January till the 15th March. You just have to register. You can restart anytime. I think the minimum deposit is $200. $200. Register now and win up to go to copy trading, sign up, go to copy trading and create new account. This was the last challenge we had. Number one was Francis Poe. He got 100% and he had 673 followers. So this basically means is that 73 people were following him. So whatever money he was making on his account, those trades were being copied to 73 other people. You know, so, and then, you know, obviously they were paying fees. So let's say you had a $500 account and with 73 people, you had like maybe let's say $20,000 following you. So even if you're making 1% in your account, you're from the fees, the performance fees, you're making more. So that's where this comes in handy. Leaderboard. It's like an extra income for someone who is already profitable. It works beautiful. Okay, now take a look at this. 15-minute candle has closed. Wow, look at that. 15-minute candle has closed, and in the first minute, is it in the first minute? Yeah, in the first minute, we start to push down. So I'm not interested in this. I want price to kind of like retrace, create some sort of a top wick, and then continue to push down. I want to see that happening on Friday. How do you differentiate Dominion markets from CMS Prime? What is CMS Prime? CMS Prime. CMS Prime is a broker. Okay, they're a broker. It's beautiful. They are in Dubai. Okay, here we go. We have CMS Prime. Trade futures, equities. Yeah, we have the same thing. Standard in trading. It's the same stuff. We have CMS Prime app, Meta 4, Meta 5. I mean, media coverage, liquidity providers. Good. It's just like, how is their execution speed? How is their spreads and stuff like that? That's the most important thing. They don't have Rajabai. Yeah, they don't have Rajabai. Prop trading. They have prop trading too. Bum, 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 bum. A lot of brokerages I tried, and I wanted to see how they're not like executions, but we get a lot of calls. I get a lot of calls from different companies, and some companies tell me we have the best spread, and I'm like, okay, what's the spread? They say our spread is 2.5 pips, 3 pips, 3.5 pips. And then I look around, I'm like, well, how come our spread is 1 pip on gold? So I mean, there's got to be something, some workaround. Kate, morning, Raja. I need your advice. My work schedule is 1 week morning, 6:30 to 2:45 France. Then I switch to 1 week in the afternoon. What should I still focus on one session? Yeah, that's the thing. It depends now at this point. I mean, you can focus on London session and you can focus on New York session, but I think the progress might be a little bit slow as you focus on both sessions. The progress might be a little bit slow because you have to kind of gain some experience in both sessions separately. So if I was in this dilemma, I would focus on, it's difficult. I'd focus on New York session week 1, week 2, London session, because it's a tough work schedule to work around, to be honest. 1 week morning, 1 week afternoon. So now you have 2 sessions to manage. But I do think if you're focusing on 2 sessions separately, week on and week off, if you're focusing on the sessions with when there's calm trading conditions, let's say after NYC Open, I think that's better, because sometimes there's going to be, most times there's going to be news at about 8:30 a.m. Eastern in New York session, and the price doesn't really calm down till about NYSE Open, till the New York Stock Exchange Open, and that's when you have a new 4-hour candle forming as well. And when you look at the 4-hour candles, there's only 1 or 2 1-hour candles that will create the overall 4-hour candle. So I think it's going to be better just to trade the new 4-hour candle in New York session with NYSE Open. That's just what I would want to do. All right. Let's order some breakfast. I haven't had anything since morning. So now this will be my first meal of the day. First meal of the day. Let's go. Hello, V. How are you? Doing good. Recently, London session has been really low volume. That is correct. That is correct. When you put recent support resistance in pre-London and the entry happened 1 hour after London session, like today, would you enter in the trade? No. It depends. It depends. Can you help me with $36? No. You don't have $36? Man, you really should not be trading at this point if you don't have 30. Imagine this question. Can you lend me 36 bucks? Wow. Can I leave and rejoin the link or it's been expired? Yeah, you can leave and come back. No problem. Raja, please guide some time. M30 in ranging, M15 proper breakout. Can we take entry? No, the 30 minute. You have to wait for the 30 minutes. I took an impulse entry on the USD JPY by SRC and it's great working on every pair which have great volume. Honey Dorival, thank you. That's exactly how it's supposed to work. If you are just a pure full-time trader, how will a plan the day? A pure full-time trader will only focus on one session and he will only focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. It's not a good idea to focus on 2 sessions a day. It's not a good idea to focus on 2 sessions a day. Can't count how many people become profitable because of you. I can't count either. I cannot count either how many people became profitable with Market Fluidity University or even with, Smart Raja concepts that we launched just to troll smart money concepts. You gotta start to pump up that iron. Price is just consolidating. Nothing happening at this point. These are Arnold presses like this. These are lightweights. This is what, 7.5 kilos. Yeah, these are lightweight, 7.5 kilos. There are a lot of lateral raises today. All right, name of broker, Dominion Markets. Free course link. You want a free course link? I'll give you a free course link. I'll give you a free course link. This is the free course link over here. This one right over here. There are 2 videos that you can watch on this. If you guys go to marketfluidity.com
sessions.
You can
So
watch
these, what? So at the end of the day,
no, not this one. Scroll down. This one right over here. You can watch
the first thing
choosing
we
a
need to
market
focus
session.
on
This is very
is
important.
what
You can watch this video, and if you go over here, is there a video over here? Will there be a video over here? Okay, this is the checkout page. But let's see here. If you go to wap.marketfluidity, yeah, I think it's this one.
What's up, everyone? My name is Raja. I also go by the name of Raja Banks.
Yeah,
and this is a small presentation
video?
on Market Fluidity University. This is one of the best.
This video is
What's up,
where
everyone?
I'm doing some
My name
sort
is
of
Raja.
a
I
price
also go by
action.
the
It
name
will
of
help you a lot. Price action.
All right,
And obviously,
let's-
there's some social proof things I've done, breakdown analysis, and whatever. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Gold has gone. Gold has gone. That's fine. No problem. No problem. Can you trade 2 or 3 sessions in a day? No. You can't. You can, but you shouldn't. Wow, look at that. Clean range here to the left. Even though if you're not in the trade, you can just look at gold and say, wow, that's amazing the way it's moving. That's amazing the way it's moving. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. Was there an impulse entry on the 1 hour? Oh yeah, there was an impulse entry in the 1 hour. Break below this low for price to move down. On the 30 minute, okay, 30 minute also made sense over here for price to break the low and push down. Beautiful. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We need to see charts, not website. Well, then you can leave the stream. Is your trading style works in crypto market? Yes, it does. I want to join with you and want to work with you. You are my mentor. I'm learning so many things from you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I spent 2 hours on one session, but still not working. Shall I increase the time? No, you should not increase the time. Thanks to you, I ordered a brand new BMW, picking it up next week, funded with Only Trading. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. That is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Brand new BMW. Amazing to see progress. You know, that's so crazy. Do you play games? I play a lot of games. My wife tells me I play games with her all the time. I play online games a lot. Wow, 30 pip move here as we broke below the low. Man, that's insane. That is crazy. Look at that. 30 pip move over here. Any valid entry? Yeah, impulse entry. We've just been talking about it. Impulse entry here. Yeah, impulse entry is here. It's pretty good. Do we have any indicator to say? No, we don't have. Center of gravity indicator? What the fuck is this? So what does this mean, center of gravity? How do you read this center of gravity shit? You're supposed to go to... Yeah, it's difficult. Yeah, I don't need this. Yeah, I think this was a very good entry here. Break below the low, impulse entries, and price move down. Yeah, this is actually pretty good. Pretty good. I didn't take it, I missed it, but wow, it's good. Do you play impulse entries anymore? Yes. Yes, it does. Yes, I do. Yeah, this was a this would have been a very good move here for price to push down. Let's see. 22nd January. Dubai. Okay. Night time.
हाँ जी मुझे फ्लाइट डिटेल्स भेज देना फिर आगे किसी से बात करके दूसरे मामलात सीधे करा दो ना जो लेके जाना है
Mamlat, can it go up to 2703? 2703, can it go to 2703? Yeah, I think so too. I think it can go to 2703. Before 2703, I think we will tap into 2704 because we're sitting at 2706 with, I mean, we haven't had any volume. So I think this is where the volume can continue to push price down. The new candle is about to start, which is great. If the new candle can start, wake up, break below the low, I think we're coming down to 2702. 2702, I think that would be pretty good. 2702, probably. My account 10,000 phase 2 remaining 266. Can I pass this sell? Yes, you can definitely pass that. You can definitely pass that. Why is your chat's background white? Why am I not there? Because you are not in Zoom. That's why you're not in there. If you were in Zoom, you would be over here. Okay, the candle is about to close in about 10 seconds. Let's see if the next candle can wick up, break below the low, and then continue pushing down. I think that's going to be very, very good. Very, very good, I think. That will be interesting. Here we go. This candle has to wick up, break below the low, and then continue on pushing down with the volume coming in from London session. Does Dominion offer funded accounts? Yes, it's called Dominion Funding. We haven't broken the low yet. See, there's that wick up. There's that wick up. And the thing about breaking the low is that if it breaks the low, your stop loss can be above this wick, wherever it wicks up. And then we can continue on pushing down. When you hold a winning trade or when do you close profit? Normally on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I hold my trades on Wednesdays and Thursdays because there's a lot of volume on Wednesdays and Thursdays and I hold my trades longer. But Mondays and Fridays, mostly also Tuesdays, I just secure wherever I can. Shiny Tiger voice. Shiny Tiger voice. Mamla. Man, those guys are hilarious. Those guys are hilarious. Why impulse entry? We had 2 30-minute candles before. Yeah, I mean, not 2, just 1. Your counting needs some tuning. Just 1. Yesterday, daily candle broke the average daily rate of last 5 candles. According to that, today candle will consolidate only, not breaking top or bottom yesterday candle. To be honest, I don't know about that. If you're trying to trade based on the daily candles, so here's the thing, if you're trying to get like 20, 30 pips based on the daily candle, I don't think it's going to work. You should only focus on 20, 30 pips based on, the 30-minute or the 1 hour or, like something like that. Like this stuff right over here. I mean, if we break the low, then there's a very high possibility we can continue to push down. That's it. So for that, I'm not looking at the 4 hour. Well, 4 hour. Yeah. I'm not looking at the 4 hour. I'm only looking at this right here. Look at the 1 hour, right? 1 hour broke below the low. It's going to close. Now, if we stay below 27.10, I think moving into New York Open, we can continue to push down with price. So that's going to be way better as we continue into the session. Okay, Talabat. Where are you, Mr. Talabat? Talabat, we need some. We need some food, Talabat. Barbar is currently busy. Try a similar restaurant from your search or view the menu. Okay, these guys are not accepting orders. Could you do simulation for pound yen for us traders in America? Sure. I think we can do a simulation. So this Sunday, we have a Q&A session with Market Fluidity University. We have a Q&A session this Sunday. So I think after that, maybe 2 weeks from now, we can do simulation on pound yen. What's your equity? $500,000. $500,000. Why don't you give free challenge today? Why should I give something for free? How many pips do you generally want to see in the bottom or top liquidity wicks before breaking the higher the low to continue the range? To be honest, it's a ballpark value. I mean, this one right over here, it's like how big the stop loss is going to be, right? So if we do break below this low, and if I measure the stop loss, if the stop loss is like 27, 30 pips, I'm probably going to lower my risk. And take a look at this. This is something very, very important. If you get on Dominion Markets and you get C Trader, this is a very useful tool. You see this tool over here? Very, very useful. Very useful tool. Look, it shows you the trade estimate for 30 lots, right? At a 30 pip change, you're going to make $9,000, so this is very good. So if let's say you had a 5 lot and you want to see now, okay, on my 5 lot, how much would I have made if I had taken a sell when we broke below the low? Oh, wow, I would have made $1,500, If it's a 50 lot, $15,000. So this is something very interesting. This tool over here, very helpful for traders. Do you think it's the right thing to do while waiting for candle closure? We can spend some time to watch some funny video and wait at the same time. Please pick my question. Yeah, that could be a funny thing to do. But look what happened. I was showing something and then I missed the trade. How to be patient in trading? Be patient in trading just like me. I took no trades today. Oh, wow. I've been trying Osprey FX, 24K, KOT FX, and they all won't verify my identity. Do you have any insights as to why? Why, Jay? Jay, where are you from? Where are you from that they're not verifying your identity? USA. Yeah, that's why they're not verifying your identity. Because you're from the USA. You're from the USA. You have any other identity, like any other nationality or something like that? Any other residency card or something? You know, that will help. That will help a lot. Born and raised. Yeah, that's a little bit of an issue. That is a little bit of an issue. Because, like, you know, US clients, they have issues like this, you know. They have issues like this. The only things you can do is to maybe go on. It's just tough, man. Being in the US and trying to find brokerage is very difficult. But we are working on a solution. Raja or anyone in the chat, please. I'm looking for capital to buy a 10,000 funded account. Go get a job, buddy. That's what I'm thinking. Pound yen. Yeah, because gold you can't trade. So pound yen, you have to look at the spreads as well if you go on a heavily regulated broker. The worst in front of these fuckers don't prove anything. Identity, Benchod, bought instant account 200K but haven't been able to trade. Bro. Yeah, send them. Open up a ticket. I guess you've already opened up a ticket. But make sure your documents are not blurred. You know, make sure your documents are crisp, 4K picture quality, and then try. Sorry if this is a stupid question. Isn't the low of the previous 30-minute too far from the zone now in the middle of the range to take a trade? No. Because if I'm looking at this, you know, I want to do something dumb. Okay? I want to do something dumb. And that dumb idea would be like this. So I'm trying to see if I can take a sell over here, anticipating the next 15-minute candle not to break this high and to continue to push down. So, yeah, that's going to be something dumb, which I shouldn't do. Perfect. Invite Karo, 1 minute meeting. Bro, what are you going to say in a 1 minute meeting? What are you going to say in a 1 minute meeting? So what do you guys have in the works for the USA issue? No, we don't have anything. It's very difficult for the US. Very difficult. There's Wanda, Forex.com. It's very difficult. What if I get replied from Insta from Raja? Okay. Since we missed this move, what's the next move you're anticipating? Yeah, probably I'm anticipating price to create some resistance and then continue to push down. I think that would be something very interesting. I would like to see that. Happen. For price to create resistance and then continue on. All right. How do you deal with the itchy fingers? I don't trade. Do you trade live or just live analysis? I do trade live, but there hasn't been any opportunity for me to trade live. Why you didn't take a trade? What do you guys want me to do? Take a trade? Let's do it with a small 10 lot. Friday. We'll do it with a small 10 lot. But it has to be where the candle breaks below the low to continue to push down. That's what it has to be. Are you on Telegram or is it your fake account? Yes, it's my fake account. I'm not on Telegram. I'm only on Telegram if I know you. Other than that, I'm not on. Wow. Analysis for possible buy? No. No possible buys. There are no buys. I mean, there could be sells once we break below 2705. The sells, you have like a 40 pip range. So in this range, price can continue to push down for sells. Other than that, I mean, the buys could be like if the 30-minute candle closes bullish and we break above this high and your zone comes right over here, because then it becomes like some sort of it becomes a variable zone above this wick. You're looking at like a 30-34 pip range, but up until that happens, there's nothing happening so far up until that happens. So we're just waiting. You know, you have 15-minute candles, so we're just waiting over here. How many cars do you have? It's irrelevant, but I have 8 cars. Big respect from Mongolia. Thank you. Any update about the boot camp yet? Yes, on the 16th February, we will have a boot camp in Dubai. 16th February. I think something will be up by tomorrow. All right, look at that. Look at that rejection coming up for price to push down, possibly. Should we go big or go home? Should we go big or go home? It's good that it's closing like this, because the next 15-minute can break below the low and then continue on to 69 lots. Okay, let's do 69 lots over here. 69 lots coming up. Coming up. If we break below this low, even if it moves $15, I'm going to make $9,000. How much am I up over here this week? Current week, 26,000. 26,000. Oh, wow, look at that. We break below the low and it's moving down before the candle closes. Wild. That will be wild. I just came. Have you catch this move? No, I have not catch this move. Ah, there we go. It's tapping below, but the candle is about to close in 2 minutes. Candle is about to close in 2 minutes. And I think it will just continue to pump down over here. You made 18K. Show us the trade because I follow you every live. No, this was done yesterday. Do you have any negative side effects of TRT? Negative side effects? No. I've had no negative side effects of TRT. I think the main thing is when you're on TRT, you need to eat super clean and you need to exercise, you know, because you have a lot of free testosterone that goes in your body, and that free testosterone has to go somewhere, you know. So you have to exert that. All right. A minute and a half left. A minute and a half left here now. All right. A few seconds left. 44 seconds left over here. 44 seconds left. Will the next candle wick up and break below the low or not? Do you consider the 1 hour miss downtrend? Yes, we are in downtrend over here. This is the C Trader platform. C Trader platform here. Okay, so we got the candle opening up here soon. I made 3 payouts last year, but I don't know why I'm still unprofitable after that. Maybe because you're overtrading, you know? Maybe because you're overtrading. Hunter, hunter, hunter. Okay, new candle has started. This new candle has to make a top wick, break below, and then continue on to push on down. Push on down. What do you think about this trade, Jay? I didn't receive anything. I did not receive anything. Do you prefer Dominion funding account on FTMO? Yeah. Does stop loss go on previous candle or current? Current candle. Current. Do you have anything potential soon? Yeah, probably. I mean, if we break below its open price, I think there's a very good probability with volume we can continue on to push down. Fintoki spread on gold 4.5 pips. Beautiful. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Do you think that was a bad candle since price didn't keep moving down after that large candle? Which one? That, here, this, which one, Jay? You need to send a chart, please. Send a chart so we can take a look. I have to jump in a meeting in about 15 minutes. Can I take this? Man, I can. $800-900 risk. Can I do it? Can I? Should I? No, I shouldn't. Screw it. I've made good returns this week and I intend to keep these returns. Look, this week I've had all profits. 13th, I made profits. 14th, I made profits. 15th, I made profits. 16th, I made profits. So I want to end this week with all profits. After that large red candle, price should have moved down. This one, yeah. I think some members pointed out this was a good impulse entry on the 1 hour. Look this right over here. On the 1 hour, it was a great impulse entry. On the 30-minute as well, it was a great impulse entry for price to move down. I think right over here as well, if we do continue on with this momentum, if we break below 27.05, we can continue on till 27.01 later on as we move into, pre-New York and New York. So that would be a very, very good move for price to continue to push down. My breakfast is also on the way. Beautiful. Take buy, take sell. No. No, nothing. I'm profits for the week. I intend to keep that. Current month, I'm also up in profits. That's beautiful. Today, no trades. Yesterday, one trade. Day before yesterday, whatever. But yeah, I'm going to end this right over here. Should I trade both London and NY sessions? No, you should only focus on one session. Just focus on one session. You will be happier this way. 11 win streak this week. Beautiful. That's amazing. What's the tool's name that shows how many you will make? Looks helpful. So this tool is a part of C Trader. So if you get on Dominion Markets, it's a part of C Trader right over here. Look, it's a Dominion Markets C Trader. So you click this cursor across here and then you can just drag and you can feel it. How it feels to withdraw 100,000. 100,000. You should ask me how it feels to withdraw 500,000. Feels pretty good. I bought my Lamborghini with this. Lamborghini Urus for 500,000. Well, it was like 270,000, but the rest we're gonna do something with it. But yeah, feels good. Anyway, take care, everyone. We will see you guys on Monday. For people who are in Market Fluidity University, we will see you guys on Sunday for the Q&A session. Timing, we will announce the timing. I kind of want to have that Q&A session in the evening time on Sunday so that our members in UK and the US can also join at the same time. Yeah, I think it should be in around, I'd say, like evening time. Like around 10 a.m. Eastern. 10 a.m. Eastern on Sunday. 10 or 11 a.m. Eastern on Sunday. Thinking about that time. But anyway, take care, everyone, and stay safe today. It's Friday. Just be mindful that you should not lose more money than you make on Fridays. Adios.